Ready to turn your ideas into a style website without any coding? Discover how Canva's intuitive design tools can help you create a professional online presence in just a few clicks. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned creator, building a beautiful site has never been easier. Join us and unleash your creativity with Canva today. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to build a website on Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals and businesses to create visually appealing websites with ease. With its drag and drop interface, a wide array of customizable templates and design elements, Canva enables users to build professional-looking web pages without any coding knowledge. It's perfect for anyone looking to establish an online presence quickly and creatively, whether up for personal projects, portfolios, or business needs. Alright? So let's just come back to the top right and you click over sign up to get started with Canva. You have just to click over the button of sign up, or you can just click over login to find an account. But if you already have an account and you sign up, you'll find this page and you have just to click over home and you'll find the other page, which is this one. Alright, so here we have various things, alright, that you have to know. But let's just search for the websites like that. Websites, then you'll find the templates here as you can see. I've just to click over seal like that and you'll find all the templates. Alright, I will just select a template that I think is better. Also, you can click over all filters and just select the category that you want if it's related to the business. As you can see, we have presentations, whiteboard, and other things. Also, we have here the option of social media. You can add, for example, if you want Instagram, you can just choose the one you think it's better for it, or the one you want, or the one you need. Alright. Then we have also here education if you want videos, marketing, if you want also print products, and here we have about the style. Select if you want modern, minimalist, simple, professional, colorful, animated as well. Then we have the theme and also the language feature. Then we have here grade and subject, and you select also the topic and also about the pricing and the color, and you click over apply and you'll find the template that you select. Alright. Right now I will just select this one and I will click over customize this template and you will find other page, which is this one as you can see. So let's start creating our website or building our website and let's get started. So right now all I have to do is just delete these things and you modify it and you put yours. Alright. So I will delete this one and I will delete this one, and for example I did a mistake. I will just click over here and come back, and this is how it works seriously. Also we have here other options such as design. We have also here if you want to just other designs, here we have it. Also we have here the option of elements if you want elements, as you can see. All right. Then we have also the option of text if you want to add a hidden, add a text box, brand kit as well. Then we have also here the option of print if you want to add logos, colors, fonts. Then we have if you want to upload something, you can just click over upload an image or video and you can upload it from your computer, or you can just record yourself by clicking over here and you start recording. You can just click over record, and for example we have 3, 2, 1 and you get started. So this is for this one. Here we have here find your fave, as you can see. Then I will just move into the next one. We have here at 1 recording, as you can see. And then we'll pass to the next one, pass to the next one, the next one, and we have here 6 one, and you will click over done. Once you do that, you will find here 2 options, which is save and exit or exit the studio. I will click over exit studio and I will just choose if I want to save it and exit it. I will click over exit and you'll find it to the design platform. Then we have here the option of draw. I will just select the color that I think it's better. For example, I will select the white one and I will just add whatever I want, right? And you have just to click over Indo if you don't like it, or you can just click over the option of razor and you delete it. Alright. And also we have here project, application, QR code. I will show you how you can do that. Firstly, for example, if I delete this one, I will just go to the text and I will add, for example, add a heading. I'll put it firstly in the middle, and then if you get the size, I'll put more. I'll put 100. It's too much. I will just put 88. So I will add, for example, t-shirt product, for example, t-shirt product. All right, so like that. Then I will just add here, for example, I will delete this one. I will just put this one here. It's better put it here, street and cover, or I will put this one here. All right, I put here this one here, and here we have, I will delete this one, I don't like it, and I'll put here the logo of email, and I will add my Gmail, and I will add also my Instagram post. For example, I will just go to the elements, I will just search for Instagram. I will just select Instagram, and I will go to the graphics, and I will select the Instagram that I want. For example, I will select this one. I will just modify the size, as you can see, and I will add my Instagram here. Then I will just search also for email. Alright, here we have Gmail, and I will just search for it. For example, we have here for strings. You will just search for the one which is for free. You will just select this one, and I will modify it also here the color. You put the white one. Alright, I'll put it here. I'll modify it also here. Modify the size of this one. Right, here we have Instagram, and we have email here. I will just go to the text, and I will add here, add a little bit of body text, and I'll put it here, as you can see. For example, I will add my Instagram. For example, I will just add job t-shirts. Then I will also go here, and I will add a little bit of body text. Alright, I'll put it here, and I will add, for example, my Gmail. For example, Ziza shop, and I will add here was gmail.com. Alright, and this is how it looks. Alright, and here we have it right now. I will just right now modify all this page of the website, then I will just design it as I want. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope, and this is our template, how it looks. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.